fishing trip is going to be the best ever! I'm going to catch the biggest fish in the whole lake!
I'm sure we'll have a wonderful, peaceful day by the water, Rabbit.
This spot is perfect! The fish are practically jumping into our basket already!
Let's get our lines ready and see what the day brings.
Any bites yet? I can't wait to feel that tug!
Just be patient.
But I want to fish now!
Patience?
Ugh! Nothing again! Why aren't the fish biting for me?
Patience is important in fishing and in life, Rabbit.
Maybe a different lure or a new spot over there. This is taking too long.
Patience, my friend.
This is hopeless! I've been trying for ages and caught nothing!
Patience is important in fishing and in life, Rabbit.
You caught one! Just like that? How did you do it?
I waited for the fish to come to me.
Wow, that's amazing!
See? A little patience goes a long way.
Thanks, Turtle. I learned that patience really does pay off. Next time, I'll wait quietly like you.
That's the spirit, my friend.